Hey guys, it's Dami Finds, and in this video we have this AirPod Max in midnight colorway from DHgate with USB-C. As we can see here on the packaging or on the unboxing of it, it is one-to-one to the original Apple AirPod Maxes. Like for example, I have the protective ear cups, and I also have the designed by Apple in California paperwork, and I also have the USB-C to USB-C braided charging cable for the AirPod Maxes themselves. So these AirPod Maxes are metal, and I did get them from DHgate. They were cold to the touch as they've been traveling for like a week and a half to get to me from China. So let's actually review them. So when it comes to pairing these, you just take them out of the smart case and they would pop up on your iPhone or whatever device you have, and then you just click connect and you wait for them to sync over or connect. And in the settings, you can see you have more settings and more information about the AirPod Max themselves. And the cool thing about these is that these actually show the limited warranty that you get with the real ones, but no Apple Care on these ones, sadly. Once that's done, I did check ANC and transparency on these AirPod Maxes, and let me tell you, transparency worked flawlessly. ANC does work, but some sound does leak in slightly. And I did also, play some songs with it, and I'll say that the bass is good. It is clear on the most part, so I'll give it like a solid 8 out of 10 in terms of sound quality. So right after that, I did try, the features on the AirPod Maxes, like, on the crown to see if it works with reducing or increasing the volume. That works as well. And the ear cups are interchangeable, so you can actually get original AirPod Maxes or replacement ear cups and, create your own style with them. When it comes to buying these, it's actually very easy. You're gonna click the link in my milkshake link, wherever AirPod Max link is there. You're gonna click, it's gonna take you to the page, and you also get a discount when shopping with my link as well, like a few dollars off. So you're gonna click for Max 2 Midnight Metal ANC or any color that you want. Once you click it, you have two options: United States or China. If you're in the United States, you're gonna ship from there. Anywhere else from China, basically, and that's the price conversion for my friends over in the United States. With all that being said, hope you guys did like the video. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. If you have any questions or doubts, reach out to me in the DMs or in the comments, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.